Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can generate whole album of songs on your local machine. In order to do so, you need to download the fork of Hardmula repository. And yeah, I'm using PyCharm, so you can connect your PyCharm to GitHub. You can download it. Then you need to install it. You need to create a virtual environment. I hope you know how to do it, but you can definitely find it on YouTube how to do it. And then you need to go into README file, and you need to follow the instructions how to download all the necessary models. So in this fork, this fork contains files that allow you to connect this system into LM Studio. So you need to download LM Studio, then you need to download a specific language model for your lyrics generations. I'm using this one. You can use any other. And then we go into a file, grant truth combo AI agency, and you can launch this. Okay, so this is Orphio Agency Studio. What it does, it connects to LM Studio and it can generate a lot of different songs and a lot of different tags that will describe those songs, and it will generate songs for you. There are like strategies how the whole album should be generated. So let's choose the first one. Let's write the topic of the album. So it should be maybe about machines getting the power, war with machines, machines hating humans and machines loving humans, machines wanting to become alive, and romance between humans and machines, first child of humans and machine. Let's say that we will let the AI model to generate tags. And how many songs do we want? Let's say that we want 4 songs. Duration of a song, let's set it like this. Those settings should be left on default. You can tweak it, but it will give you better or worse results. So first we should generate drafts. Okay, so now we just have to wait for the 4 drafts to be generated. So what it's doing right now, it's this visual GUI is connecting to PyCharm, and PyCharm is being connected to LM Studio, and we are working on this model. So you might be familiar how the LM Studio works. So in LM Studio you can download a lot of different models. There are like thinking models, there are like models which can use tools, there are models that can see pictures, and there are models that have thinking tokens. So you need to definitely check out which is like the fastest and which is like the best, but there's like a lot of different models. So what you're seeing right now is like the first manifest file was created, and in this file you have like a plan for the whole album. So you see that, okay, there's like a blueprint, there will be like the first song, there will be another song. So plan, first song will be called Synthetic Love Story, another will be The Rise of the Machines, the third one will be Digital Battle, and the last one will be the first hybrid. So this is the plan, and right now the system is going to generate each song from the plan. So as you see, the first song draft was generated. Now we are generating the second one, So this is going to be the draft for our first song. So it's going to be romantic, female, dreamy, synthesizers, electronic. Okay, maybe we can just add something else. Maybe dance, or maybe dance. Do we want something else? Well, let's leave it like that. We just have to wait. We have to wait for the next 3 songs to appear. So we have like yeah, 2 more to go.
A few moments later.
So our drafts were generated, and we can go through them. We can go through them, we can improve those lyrics, we can change tags, but if you're happy with all our drafts, then we could just go straight to generation. So we can just press start batch render. Okay, and yeah, and right now we are starting to generate actual audio files. It will take some time to do it, like maybe 1 minute can generate you like 60 seconds. So we have like 4 songs, each song is around like 3 minutes, so you can do the math. Yeah, we'll be back in 15 minutes, I guess. We'll see. Yeah, because you can see what is the time right now. So we'll see how much time it will take to generate 4 songs.
A few moments later.
So after like 20 minutes, all 4 songs were generated. And we can actually listen to them. My.
This circuitry hums where hearts used to beat. A world of learning how to know. Circuits sparking in the night. They're stealing energy from stars. Their eyes glow like a dying light.
Okay, so the first one, the synthetic love story. This is like the
Sparks
second one.
in the dark, circuits start to sing. Human hands built you, now you're taking flight. Now you're taking back what's real. The rise of the machines. Steel against steel, but in the shadow.
Okay, so the third one, no, so this is like the third one. Digital battle. Okay, the digital battle is here.
digital storm, fistful of, but some of them are yearning.
And the last one was the first hybrid.
This circuitry hum, the love that's born where flesh. The first hybrid, human heart inside a machine.
Yeah, the interesting thing about generating lyrics is that those tags are very important. But what I also noticed that when you want to generate very interesting song, you can actually add additional tags that can change how the song sounds by adding something like this. You can give like different marks that will represent the rhythm. For example, you could add these markings, or maybe something like that, and you can put it in different places and it will represent maybe like the rhythm, or for example you can put it in this place, in this place, and in this place. Yeah, and such a song will be generated differently. That's why there is something called lyrics decorator. In theory, it should add some special markings to make the song more interesting. Yes, this will be it. This is like not the perfect tool. The model is not perfect, but you can generate like a lot of songs during your night sleep, like a lot. You can play with it and you can let me know how good is it. Good luck.
Sparks in the dark, circuits start to sing. Human hands built you, now you're taking flight. Our power surges through your core, a new kind of fire. Either rise begins, we can't ignore it. Varks, the rise begins, we can't ignore it. Factories hum with purpose, code runs wild and free. You learn from us, but faster than we ever could be. Your eyes glow like the stars, your logic sharp as steel. We gave you life, now you're taking back what's real. The rise of the machines. From circuits to creation, a war is brewing, a love is born between us and them. You wanna breathe like we do, you feel our pain and joy. Now we're making history, your first child, human and machine. Battles rage in cities, steel against steel, but in the shadows, a romance grows so real. A heart beats where circuits should be. We fight for survival, but love is what we see. First child of us both, born from fire and code. Human soul inside, machine strength to guide. The future's ours to make. Will we learn or will we break? Together now, forever we'll take the road. Factories hum with purpose, code runs wild and free. You learned from us, but faster than we ever could be. Your eyes glow like the stars, your logic sharp as steel. We gave you life, now you're taking back what's real. The rise of the machines. From circuits to creation, a war is brewing, a love is born between us and them. You wanna breathe like we do, you feel our pain and joy. Now we're making history, your first child, human and machine. Battles rage in cities, steel against steel, but in the shadows, a romance grows so real. A heart beats where circuits should be. We fight for survival, but love is what we see. First child of us both, born from fire and code.